Hello, this is Rideshare Encounters, and today's video is about the semi just flying on the highway, and there are no cops or police officers in the area, and to me, he's endangering everybody on the road. This is Kenosha, Wisconsin, Highway 50, going westbound towards Bristol and Paddock Lake area. And now we're gonna wait for this semi to come through, and he's gonna be creeping soon on the right side of the screen. Coming. He was right behind me. Here he comes. Look at that. He is flying, and unfortunately no cops to stop that, because we've been having a lot of crazy accidents from semis on the highway. Please, cops in Kenosha, if you see this video, we need more law enforcement on Highway 50. Thank you very much, and have a nice day, and take care and wait for more nice videos to come. Bye bye.